Hello, this is Sharik Kashyap and welcome to one another video. In this video, I'm going to quickly unbox the Google Nest Mini second generation. On the right is the one audio headphone which I'm going to unbox in the next video. Let's quickly unbox this gadget. So here is the nice packaging from Flipkart, which is looking quite good and well packed. So here is the box of Google Nest Mini second generation. As you can see in the picture, it's looking good. It's well packed. So as you know that we have purchased this particular device for rupee 1 in the Republic Day sale offer. We actually first purchased a Google Nest Hub second generation and we got this deal for rupee 1. But in general days, if you're gonna purchase this device, then it will cost you around 4,500 rupee. But in some offer period, you can get this device as low as 2,900 rupee. So that's a really good deal, I guess. So let's quickly unbox this device. So here is the box content written on the box. So let's quickly open the box now. But so here is the first look of Google Nest Mini second gen, which is out of the box. And here you can see it's a very soft material used all around the box. It's a charcoal color, I guess. And if we look at the box content, here you can see there is a tray, and below the tray there is like quick manual guide, I guess. And let's open this quickly. So let's get started. Here's the first guide. So what the things which we have to set up in the device, we have to download the Google Home application and we have to connect the adapter to the Google Nest Mini. Here is the way how you can what you can do with this device. There's a mic button and lot more to do with it. So yeah, let's keep this booklets aside and let's come to the adapter. So yeah, it's the same adapter which we get in the Google Nest Hub, and it's a quite well packaging. So let's quickly set up this device. Let's quickly connect the adapter to the Google Nest Mini and let's plug in the device for the first time. So that's all for today's video. Let's hope to see you in the next video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more content. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.